Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mark server conversation as a raid on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First, uh, click here, hold on it like this, and here you will find mark as raid. Click on it, and that's it for today. That's how to mark server conversation as raid on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.